Hi guys, welcome back to Little Evie's World. Today we have the L.O.L Little Sister's surprise ball, so let's get opening. So first let's turn it around and then open the zip. Just like that. Now let's see what we get on the first layer. So we got a cushion call. So it's basically going to be about cushion call. So someone that has cushion call. So guys, here's the next surprise. It could color change. Now let's open the next zip. Guys, that one was easy. Now we have it with the ball. Let's open up the ball. Get out all the surprises. Now that could open the first thing. Let's rip it open, guys. So we got the little chain for the ball. So you can hook this chain like to your school bag if you want to sneak your L.O.L into school. So we got two surprises. What? Maybe this could be an accessory. So it's little heart glasses. They look very cute. Let's open up the checklist. Maybe this could be the baby, guys. It's dark in... Guys, the package also said it's dark in here, so maybe the baby's right. It could be dark in the package. So let's cut it open. So, guys, let's see what baby we got. And the baby... She's the mermaid baby, guys. Dude, the mermaid baby is really cute. So you can match the babies with your stuff. So they can have a little sis and a big sis. Here's a pearl handbag. So let's set her in the pearl handbag. Just like that. Oh, she's so cute. Let's put on her glasses, guys. See what she looks like. Let's put on. Guys, it's hard. Guys, these glasses are hard to get on. So there. Guys, so there she is. Thanks for watching Little Evie's World. Please subscribe below.